One place where Nigeria felt the almost instant impact of Brexit was the country's stock exchange. The capital market had been on a bullish run, but just a day after Britain voted to leave the EU, shares tumbled. The NSE All-Share Index went down minus 1.36%. Market capitalization closed in the negative territory, going down from 10.5 trillion naira to 10.67 trillion naira. The market is yet to recover since then.
Nigerian market is internationalized. It does not operate in isolation. It operates in an international financial system. So whatever is affecting the international financial system, obviously is going to affect the Nigerian market.
The situation compels the country's Chartered Institute of Bankers to call this gathering of economists, investors and market analysts to discuss the likely negative impact and how to mitigate it.
The reactions you saw in the market is because the market, for the first time, did not price in the possibility of a Brexit. Markets don't normally tolerate uncertainty. In this one case, everybody went on the 80%, only because it does not follow the principles we were all taught, rational decision making.
5% of our imports is from UK. Then 5.9% of our crude oil export ends up in UK. So you have 5.5 imports, 5.9 exports. So how does it play out for us? This is something we also need to consider. What will be the capacity of a slowing down British economy to still take on imports from Nigeria?
A number of Nigerian banks operate branches in the UK. There were fears Brexit could affect their operations, but to what extent is what no one could tell for now.
We need to first look at the quantum of business that they are doing in the UK. Because what's the contribution from those countries, from Britain, the activities in Britain, that it makes to their P&L, I think to me is not really sufficient to affect it so much. But since some of the banks out there are their corresponding banks, then definitely we will see an effect happening.
The overall impact of Brexit on Nigeria is still a matter of conjecture. Quite a number of analysts here say any negative impact will be negligible because Britain is not such a big trading partner of Nigeria. And it does not appear the government is fretting over the issue, as it has so far not released any comprehensive plan of dealing with any likely negative impact of Britain exiting the EU. Deji, Badmus, CCTV, Lagos, Nigeria.